How many times you travel in the Philippines? How many times this year? I have my housekeeper looking after the horses as she looks after my runs when 8 a.m. to work. Oh, you're just hiring a lot of workers? Because in the Makati, as you said, you're also have that caretaker there. Sir Graham, why you don't take your wife regular so you can take care of you? You can find. You don't like wife? Not me, I'm exempted. Other people, which is really worth now. Then it's gonna be free when you have you have wife. It's gonna free looking to your condo in Makati. Yeah, so yummy this. Make a love shout out, guys. Thank you for your very kindness. Almost done na. Nag-eat a lot. Luto na siya, guys. It's yummy, yummy. It's cooking time. And it's kitchen, hi. Hello, Sisi Koy. In his kitchen, please support. Yes, Sisi Koy. Support. Yes, to support kita, Sisi. Wait lang. Kuha lang ako lang. Hanguin ko lang to, sis. I'm gonna watch you, sis. Hanguin ko lang itong aking niluluto, sis. Yes. Support the pin also, Sisi Koy. Graham. Yeah, she got a video, but I think she's not really. She's 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 thinking to continue, but it's okay. Just comment and leave a message to his channel and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you lang, Sisi ka. Wait lang. Hanguin lang natin yan. Kasi naluto na siya. Yes, I will. Wait lang, Sisi ko. Wait, ha? Yan, nandun yung phone sa ano, sis, sa table. I will watch you. Mega love shout out, kitchen, Ines Kitchen. Haha, nobody's going to put up with a pilot who is never at home for long and always traveling. So I am in no rush. No, because Sir Graham, the seaman. The seaman also is living sometimes 1 year, sometimes 9 months. But they have wife. Yeah, it's not impossible if you really want. It's your choice. It's your choice, Sir Graham. Maybe you don't really like. Instead of a wife, you just take a caretaker or hiring some workers in your properties. Yeah, mega love shout out. Diyan, palamigin muna natin, guys. Dali natin dun. Yan. Ming Ming! Yeah, this is the mom's helpful mom's journey yesterday. Give me a pasalubong from Davao. We met yesterday, Sir Graham.